Hey guys, this is Quantevo, and today I'm calling out the fashion dropshipping zombies out there. Everyone's copying, pasting, and wondering why they're broke. The internet is overflowing with the same tired dropshipping garbage. So how do you actually stand out? We're diving deep. I'm talking 10 advanced tricks to transform your store from forgettable to legendary. Get ready to take notes. Let's be real. Your product selection is either winning new customers or sending them running for the hills. Most dropshippers see a hot item and think, boom, easy money. Wrong. You end up with a Frankenstein store that's just a random mess of clothes. Instead, build a brand with a clear aesthetic, curated collections, consistent styles, a story behind every piece. Be honest, would you follow your store's Instagram? If not, fix it. Stop naming your products like you're writing a grocery list. Your product names should be dripping with personality. Think Air Max 90s, not plain white t-shirt. Give your products names that tell a story, evoke emotion, and make people need to click. If your product name was in a TikTok ad, would anyone care? If not, back to the drawing board. You know those blurry, pixelated product photos that scream cheap dropshipper? Yeah, those are killing your sales. We're living in the age of Instagram. Your visuals need to be fire. Show your clothes on real people, styled to perfection. Think lifestyle shots, creative angles, and edits that pop. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 sales. Would your product photos stop the scrolls or make people roll? Make them drool. Let's be real, nobody wants to wait a month for a t-shirt. If your shipping times are longer than a prison sentence, you're already losing the game. Find faster shipping options, even if it means sacrificing a bit of profit. Communicate with your customers and keep them updated. If Amazon ships in 2 days, why should anyone wait 3 weeks for your tea? Is your store design giving off "I made this in my basement" vibes? Then you're doing it wrong. Your website is your storefront to the world. It needs to be sleek, modern, and easy to navigate. Make it so easy to shop that even my grandma could figure it out. Does your store look like fashion or feel like eBay? Influencer marketing can be a goldmine or a total money pit. Stop chasing vanity metrics and focus on finding influencers who perfectly align with your brand and actually resonate with your target audience. Think micro-influencers with engaged followings and authentic content. Even better, leverage the power of user-generated content. Are you building hype or just burning budget? Let's be real. Nobody's clicking on that blurry product photo with the generic caption. Ditch the static image ads and embrace the power of video. Create scroll-stopping content that showcases your products. And don't forget about targeting. Test different audiences, creatives, and track your results like a hawk. Are your ads even scroll stoppers? If your product descriptions are just a boring list of features and specs, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to connect with your customers. People don't buy products, they buy feelings, they buy stories. Instead of just listing materials, weave a narrative, sell a lifestyle. Does your description create a vibe, or just list materials? You're not retargeting website visitors who abandon their carts. You're letting potential customers slip through your fingers. Set up retargeting ads and send personalized emails to bring them back. Trying to appeal to everyone is the fastest way to appeal to no one. Identify your niche, your tribe, the people who are obsessed with what you offer. If I visited your store right now, would I know who it's for? If not, you're lost in the crowd. You don't win in fashion dropshipping by being the cheapest. You win by being the most unforgettable. It's about building a brand that people connect with, a brand that stands for something. Subscribe to Quantevo for more brutal truth, no fluff strategies. And let's build a brand, not just a store. Let me know if you need a further trim or more creative rewrites.